Hi guys, welcome back to River Tables channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to properly mix epoxy, because I had a lot of problems before when I was mixing different epoxies. I tried a lot of epoxies. So far the health of mine epoxy is pretty good. It's not promoted. I'm very sorry for the dog. It's not promoted video by this company. I'm just using it and I'm super happy with the product. So far I had no issues. So let me show you how to properly mix your epoxy. Obviously you need a cup, obviously you need epoxy, then you can use this kind of mixer. I'll show you another stuff. You can use even something like this, big metal heavy duty mixer, or some light like this. It totally depends on you, and of course if you mix in 60-80 liters in one go, maybe you need something heavy duty like this, but it's very hard to mix all in one go. If you mix in couple liters, maybe 2, 3, 4 liters, you can use this one, but I love this mixer. You can also buy it from eBay or anywhere. So that's another two types of mixer what you can use. For heavy, this is metal, heavy duty metal. You can use this for a small amount, 10 liters, 20 liters of epoxy, or you can mix with it 60 liters, 80 liters, but I'm not recommend you to mix this much stuff in one go, so it's very hard. So this mixer you can use as for art epoxy, for any small amount epoxy, same as this one. I don't really like this one, I like this one more. So let's put some epoxy and let's mix it. So you need measuring cup. This Health of Mine epoxy works by volume. You don't need scales, you don't need use scales and make it all 1000 milligrams or something like this. No, you just need a cup, which is, I'll show you closer, which shows you every different scale what you can use: 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, and blah 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 blah. But for me it's a bit too complicated, so I use 1000 and then 2000. I'm gonna put part A and part B. Let's put it. Little reminder, if you don't want epoxy be all over your place, all over your fingers, sorry, all over your hand, everywhere goes to the fingers, on the nails and blah blah blah, wear the gloves. They help a lot. You put them, you can do whatever you want with them, be an animal, then you just take off and your hands clean and ready to touch your girlfriend, so if you have one. So let's mix it and I'm gonna show you how to do it properly. I'm gonna put the camera closer so you can see the difference. Also, when you mix in your epoxy, I know you would love to chuck straight away a lot of pigment and yeah, I'm an animal, I wanna see the color. Yes, I love it. I love this part too. It's one of the best parts in woodworking and making tables for me. But to make sure that you don't have any issues later on, because when I started a long time ago, I was mixing epoxy, I was thinking, oh, what can go wrong? So I mixed it, I didn't pay attention, I just mix it. Oh, it looks cool, I put straight away color. Oh, color is even, that's it, done. But no, I was totally wrong. So as you can see now, epoxy on the top is very unclear. Don't worry, it's all epoxy gonna be like this. So put your sticker in and start mixing it, and you're gonna see how it's getting clear right away. As more time you mixing it, as better. Look how it's gonna change. Yeah, a lot of bubbles, but don't worry about the bubbles. Bubbles will disappear very soon. Can you see? It already looks clear, but you still can see a lot of, see? It's unmixed epoxy and it's everywhere. And when you mix with a color, you cannot see it. See, still a lot, especially here. For some reason, one of my containers is broken. What the hell? See how much coming off. So guys, attempt number 2. I hope this bucket, this cup not gonna break. Attempt number 2. So to the point what I was saying, when you're mixing it, Oh shit. Oops. Anyway, the air not gonna be problem. See, it's getting now more clear, but it's still a lot has to be mixed. See how part A still attached to the edges of the cup. You need to make sure you scrub all of it and you mix it all completely properly. You need to get some stick, and now carefully just cup all the edges as much as you can, even bottom. Put your drill on. See how much stuff still here unmixed? One more time, see? Ouch. Depends what type of epoxy you have. You don't need to worry about bubbles when you have good expensive epoxy, which cures within a week. So yeah guys, now it's completely mixed epoxy. You don't have anything on the sides, on the bottom or anywhere else. All part A components and part B components all mixed together, so you will not have any issues when you pour it. When you leave it for a couple of days, a week, you're not gonna have any issues with unpure epoxy. But this is a very important step. Please mix as much as you can. Make sure you scrub all sides, bottom, everywhere. Thank you. And now you can attach any colors of your choice, as much pigments as you want. Become an animal. Thank you.